Hello students, today I am going to teach you about meaning and types of trade. In the previous class, in the previous video, I taught you about the branches of commerce. Today I am going to teach you about the meaning and types of trade. So what is trade? Trade is an integral part of commerce. Trade includes activities concerned with sale, transfer or exchange of goods and services for a certain price. The exchange of goods may be for cash or credit. The persons who are engaged in trade are called traders or merchants. Traders serve as middlemen or link between producers and consumers. So, trade includes activities concerned with the sale, transfer or exchange of goods and services for a certain price. Now, there are different types of trade. First is internal trade and second external trade. So, there are two types of trade, internal trade and external trade. So, children, we are going to learn about internal and external trade. So, first, what is internal trade? Trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of one country. Means it refers to the buying and selling of goods and services within the one country is known as internal trade. In this, both the buyer and seller belong to the same country and it is also known as home trade or domestic trade. Is it clear what is internal trade? Internal trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services within the geographical boundaries of one country and both the buyers and sellers belong to the same country. It is also called as domestic trade and or home trade. Now, this internal trade divided into two categories, wholesale trade and retail trade. So, what is wholesale trade? Wholesale trade refers to buying of goods in bulk from manufacturers and selling them in large quantity to retailers and industrial users in relatively small quantities. The person engaged in wholesale trade are called wholesalers and they serve as a link between the producer and the retailer. Means wholesale trade, they serve as a link between producer and the retailer. So, what is the meaning of wholesale trade? Wholesale trade refers to buying of goods in bulk quantity or in bulk from manufacturers or from producers and sell them in the small or in the large quantity to retailers. Means buying of goods in bulk from producer and selling them in the large quantity to retailers. So, this is the meaning of wholesale trade. Next, retail trade. Retail trade refers to buying of goods from wholesalers and manufacturers and selling them in small quantity directly to the ultimate consumer. Retail means that buying of goods from the wholesaler and then selling them in small quantity to the consumer. Persons engaged in retail trade are called retailers and this serves as a link between wholesaler and final consumer. In wholesale trade, there is a link between the producer and the retailers, but in the retail trade, the link between the wholesaler and the final consumer. So, this is the difference between the wholesale and retail. Now, the second point, external trade. External trade refers to buying and selling of goods and services between different countries. I taught you in the first one, internal trade, it refers to the buying and selling of goods and services within the country, but in the external trade, it refers to the buying and selling of goods and services between different countries. And in this trade, the seller and buyer belong to different countries. It is also known as foreign trade or international trade. So, external trade is also called as foreign trade or international trade or external trade. Now, external trade may further be divided as follows: import trade, export trade and entry port trade. So, first, import trade. So, there are three types of external trade: import, export and entry port. So, first is import. Import means that purchasing goods and services from other countries. For example, India import petroleum products from Iran and Iraq. Means that import trade means it purchase goods and services from other countries in our own country. Now the second is export. Export involves selling goods and services to other countries. Means it will sell our own goods and services to other countries. For example, India export tea to USA and UK. So this is only the example. Now, where the third point is entry port trade. Entry port trade means importing goods from one or more countries with the purpose of exporting them to some other country or countries. Means that first it will import goods from one country to our country, and then again it will re-export them to some other countries. That is called as a entry port trade. And entry port trade is also known as re-export trade, because first it will import the goods and then again same goods will be exported to other countries. So there are two types of trade: internal trade and external trade. Internal trade includes wholesale trade and retail trade, and external trade includes import, export and entry port trade. Now this is all about the meaning and types of trade. Thank you.